I'm Muralidhara Rao from Designers Ltd, Machining Center Division. I'm very proud to showcase in this ENGIMACH show our very premium product 1370V, which is meant for the die mold application. We have got a wide range of the products for the die mold application, starting from 800 stroke up to 2.3 meter stroke of the x-axis, and the y-axis up to 700 millimeter. The very beauty of this particular machine, you can see the live cutting is going on here, where the component is having a hardness of around 50 HRC, and a dry cutting is happening. We can look for the surface finish what we are getting. And this is a direct drive spindle. We can go up to 10,000 and 12,000 RPM. And this particular product is a niche product for the die mold segment. We have 800, 1000, 1250, 1300, 1500, 1600 and up to 2200, 2010 millimeter. Today in India, the widest range of the machines available for the die mold segment is rolling out from this Designers Ltd Machining Center division. This is a one niche product. Always, it's a great feeling for us to be here in the ENGIMACH show, which has got a history of more than 3 decades. And Gujarat is a vibrant land with glorious opportunities for the machine tool industry. That's what the one product I'm showcasing it here. And moving on, we would like to showcase our great stall is here. And let's move on to what are the segment that we are catering in the machine tool. For the machining center perspective, we make around 3,300 machines in the financial year. There we have the different segment that we are going to catch up we don't want to showcase the product. Let's see the segment that we are trying to cover here. We have die mold, we have energy, we have medical, we have automotive, railways, defense, general engineering, pumps and motors, electronics, agriculture and aerospace. Kindly look at these are some of the components, be it a shoe sole or a bottle mold or the tire mold, and many of these things are being showcased for the die mold. And these are the components, and these are kind of the finish that we can give it on any type of the material which is meant for the die mold application. Also, I would like to showcase our proness in terms of the medical segment. In the medical segment, all these parts which are required for the medical segment are being produced on our machine. We have the nearly 70 different ranges of the product, starting from the drill tap centers, the typical vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, and machines for the medical equipment. And also in the horizontal, we have rolled out today with the FNX series, which is a state-of-the-art design with the 500 and the 630 size of the pallet, and we've got a complete range of the machine. We also produce the 5-axis machines, which is typically required for the medical equipment and also for the aerospace segment. Today, we also would like to showcase something very new here. Here is an automation that we are trying to showcase. A turning center and the machining center have been integrated with an automation, the pick and place for the two machines. And the very attractive thing is about this. All of this setup can be made up with such kind of the robotic cell, with such kind of such an optimal cost, because country is moving towards the automation, and an optimized solution of the automation is our key focus. Like the way the Ace designers are very popular for making the very optimal cost of the product and taking the machine tool segment to the next level. Today we have more than 100,000 of CNC machines working at our customer place. Here is the very special thing which is being showcased for the first time in the ENGIMACH exhibition. Kindly look at the two products here. The one is the ED turn and also the ED mill. So such a compact product, the tabletop size of the product. Here, these are the components which can be machined. It is not a toy. It is a machining center which can do the job with the controllers. And you can also have look at the cutting is happening. You can also see here, this is with the 460 and 270 is the size of the table, and we can go up to 15,000 RPM. And we are trying to popularize the machine tool across the education industries and also the premier institutions. And these are all the two products that we are brought out for the ED turn and the ED mill tabletop machines at CNC technology. And this is what the thing which is happening at the ENGIMACH show from Ace Designer stall from the Hall 8. This is Muralidhara Rao signing off. We are excited with the opportunities this particular state is giving for the machine tool sector.